What up, SpeedDoc Nation? It's your boy Dr. Dre.
Your boy Dr. X.
Appreciate y'all for coming on this voyage with us. Remember, they stole the Scat Pack. Insurance is finally doing their thing. They finally moving on it. It's gone.
It's about time.
It's that time. It's time to go shopping again. So we came back to where it all started, River Oaks CDJR, with my man Justin, who sold us the first wide body, who introduced us to the Mopar world, basically. You know, this is the man. So if you need anything, holler at Justin over here at River Oaks CDJR. He'll get you hooked up. You know what I'm saying? Real good people. He knows his stuff. So he had to come back.
People always talk about some smoke that they don't know about. I be driving with that constant way more than your mama house. All the speed doctors, we got patients who keep slowing down. Come and take a ride with us and see how we gon' run the town. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show. From the money to the cars, we gon' show you how it go. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show.
Look at you.
Now, you remember One Bear Show?
Yeah. Well, you know, we had to pay you a visit, man. So say it. Took it.
How long has it been?
About 2 weeks.
The insurance squared away?
It's happening now. So they just got evaluation. They're trying to get back to me. They're waiting on the official condition for it. So we're starting to kick tires now. That's why we kind of filming. And Jay here told me I have a few Hellcats in here. I'm trying to decide if we're going to go back into the Hellcat route or do a Jeep or something else. Yeah,
let's see what you got, man.
Just kind of.
You might have a track hawk.
We have one track on.
Is this the white one that's back there?
Is it a silver? Silver salt? Don't we have one track hawk available?
Yeah.
It's a red one.
The red one's available still?
What about that silver one came in? That's all. 702 horsepower.
It's a monster.
Yeah, if I do that, then I'd get rid of my SUV. I traded in for that.
Oh yeah, it's bad in the boat.
Yeah. Let's kick some tires in, man.
Look, go see what you want.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, I got the red one out here. I'm almost positive it's actually a red eye. Check the stats.
Okay, let's take it.
Pleasure to see you, bro.
Until next time.
Here, for you. CIA pin.
Awesome.
Did I give you one call?
Yeah. The smoke show is more of like a, what do they call that? Salt. It's a cat, so, but like you said, it's slim body. You traded in for what, another?
Oh yeah, he ordered himself a red eye. He ordered
Red eye.
Red eye.
What's the build time on it? Let's say if I did order
6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks.
See, our dealership inventory is coming in ridiculously slow. That's just because the biggest rule is sold and order units always come first.
Okay.
As soon as y'all put in a sold order unit and it's got a deposit.
SpeedDocs 713, baby.
What's up, man? You know why we having to come here.
Huh?
You know why we having to stop by here.
Of course. How are you, sir? Good. Nice to see you, Doc. How are you, Doc? Good. Nice to meet you, sir. Yeah. Let's go, baby. All right.
Yeah.
Keep it going.
Okay.
Yeah. Good seeing y'all. For sure. All right.
Track hawks though are gonna take forever. I put in an order 3 months ago. It's not even started to get built yet.
Whoa.
I ordered a Durango, and it's a couple weeks. It's already got here and sold. I ordered another one 2 weeks after that one. That was probably 2 weeks away. 392 Wranglers. Those are taking about 8-9 weeks.
Okay.
Oh look, we got one of the Durango SRTs. It's not a Hellcat, that's a Durango SRT if you want to see what the body looks like. And I'm almost positive it has the red guts too. They're going for about 75 to 79 depending on how you build it.
Right. This is smoke show gray, isn't it?
Okay.
Yes, this will be the smoke show color. You want to take a look at the TRX? Not sure if you've had a chance to see him.
Well, you know, we drove one. One of my patients got a chance.
You took a good drive.
I drove the shit out of it.
I've only got to do a little square one. After I sold one, my customer took me for a little ride.
Bro, I drove the shit out of this.
Damn! They got this lock too? I locked these expensive cars.
In there? Doing the thing.
What did it say in Bad Boys 2? Oh, you should buy this. Not this one. Because I'm going to fuck this one up. I'm going to drive the shit out of this. Any car that I really would fuck with, I could buy. I mean, this is on there, but I can't say at 84, this is at the very top of that list.
And that's what brings me back to the Scat versus the Hellcat.
Yeah.
The red eye. Do you like this is my process that I look at, right?
Yeah.
I don't need enough horsepower to when they turn the red and blue on, you're gonna catch me on a bad day, and I'm gonna say bye-bye. Can't catch me, gone. Life just changed in a split second.
Split second, right.
Secondly, I already get bad luck with cops. I'm gonna speed. I speed every day on my way home, man.
Yeah.
So like, I'd much rather have 485 and be comfortable with it, knowing I got all the power. I can fully control this.
Right.
But do I really need a 0 to 60 in 3 seconds? Do I really need to just dust somebody 0 to 150? No, there's no need to it.
No.
You know, I've been
Because
there,
there's a
done
lot
that.
of cars that can get there now in 3 seconds. And some of them used are at this price. You know, that's the only issue. I'm not gonna lie, stock for stock, because we lined them up with the mods I've done to my Audi. It was a little bit quicker than that Challenger, than the wide body Scat, you know.
So this would have probably won, right?
Oh, this definitely won. This,
Well,
yeah, a heartbeat. Not without it, you know. Like I said, I didn't blow it away, but it was slightly quicker, right? But the Scat Pack wide body was different. It was like a whole.
Plus it's an American muscle car. It
Yeah,
feels different.
yeah,
The
it
grip
was-
feels different. The suspension feels different.
Yeah, it was like.
Your Audi's 4-wheel drive, all-wheel, right?
Yeah.
So then you gotta worry about rear wheel,
Yeah.
power going to the back.
Yeah, I never drove the car in the rain, the Scat Pack, because of that, because it was, you know, rear wheel drive. So. Yeah. We got a lot to think about, bro. Like real talk, we do.
I mean, either way, you're good, man.
Yeah.
Because you got a car right now. You don't need something to drive right now. That's a good thing. Like you said earlier, if it would have been your only car, you would have freaking living.
We've been looking at a couple of things. We looked at a red-eye Charger, wide body, 2 of them. You know what I'm saying? They talking about 80-something grand.
Only 2 in the city that are available. 832-291-5251. If Dr. Dre don't take it off my hands.
First of all, he said 2 of them. If Dr. Dre take them off his hands, it's only gonna be 1.
One left.
I can't afford. I can't do that.
Dr. Z can. Hold on. You can, right?
You want one? So
We got a red and a silver one.
I mean,
You never know, man. You never know. We'd be Hellcat twins.
Yeah, or we'd be like them boys, Traction. Yeah,